it's Princess Apple 111. If you didn't know, please subscribe to my channel. The link will be down below.
And mine, Princess Bubblegum 12.
So, today we will be doing a video together. So, my face, yes, showing my face. If you didn't follow me on Instagram, Vine, Twitter, whatever, you guys probably didn't know. So, we'll be filming a hopefully funny squishy video. So, yeah, let's get started, and, yeah.
Oh, what going on?
Hi.
So, wait a minute, I'm going to the toilet.
For about a minute. Wait for me. So,
Okay, talk with her first.
That's a toilet, but you can't really use that one anymore.
Yeah,
it's
another
still
one.
fixing,
Bye.
so yeah. Ah! Oh my god, what happened? Oh my god, what happened? What happened? It's so dark.
Stop, Glenn, stop.
What happened? You guys,
Oh,
what a relief.
oh, Shelby, what's going on?
Oh,
I'm going to the toilet and really dark.
the light turned out. Oh my god. Anyways, so we'll be doing a squishy.
Yes, squishy.
So we'll be showing you guys like random
The
squishies.
fly squishy. We want it.
The fly squishy. Yeah!
It looked like the squishy that.
Okay,
Yeah.
you guys will see. Follow us on Vine, okay? I'm Shelby _ and she is
Pooja 12.
so
Pooja.
we'll put in the description, and I'll put the links into the vines and stuff down below. Now we're gonna be doing a funny squishy skit. It's called
Fly squishy.
From the Squishy Story series, episode 1, season 1, series 1. Hi. 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 Hi.
Hey, what are you doing so loud? Huh? Hey, I want to kick you out.
You can't do that. You're too scared to do that.
Ah! Oh, it's there.
The
end.